Hey guys, it's a Samsung Galaxy J5 2016, Galaxy J5 2015, and the 15 with 16 model. Let's guys been check it out in the sound test. The two phones is the Alien one, but it's a different application for the two phones. Let's off this background music soon there. Yes, background music is off now. If the full sounds I'm already it's back in the JFY 2016 model sound test. Okay, passed out. And this locking sounds and this enter this bar. Okay, its sound is always better than Galaxy J5 2015. This sound test winner is Samsung Galaxy J5 2016. This one. Thanks for the watching.